Now we are in the Kerry Park viewpoint. From this point, it's beautiful to watch shuttle. Shuttle from Kerry Park point of view. It's beautiful. There's the shuttle tower. Let's have a look. And the bay of shuttle.
That's the key arena. That's sorry, Climate Pledge Arena. The basketball place, you know. See that? Oh, that's the Climate Pledge Arena. It's basketball, hockey. And then you can. This is the Puget Sound. So Alki Beach is over there. You see the trees and stuff.
Yeah.
There's a road. You can see the road there on the water. That's Alki Beach. Along there. You see the reflections of the cars and stuff. That's the beach. Yeah. So that's from there. You have a view of Seattle from this side, from across from the right. But here you can see Seattle with the Mount Rainier behind it. My friend is climbing Mount Rainier right now. He's on Mount Rainier somewhere. No, he's climbing. He is today, right now. No.
Why?
It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. You have to train for months, and then you have to, you have a time slot.
This is the waterfront. Shuttle. Pier 66. Pier 66 now. It's a diners area. We're gonna pass the Ferris wheel. There's the Ferris wheel. This is the waterfront. The Ferris wheel. Still the beachfront. There's a lot of people because this is a Sunday. Now this is Pier 54. Now the stadium for the soccer, for the FIFA soccer. is the mechanism, huh?
Jembatan tuh. Terus dia bisa
Mechanism for the rooftop to close. And then next is the, I think, the parking lot and the part of the stadium. This is part, the other side of the soccer, of the FIFA World Cup soccer. Yeah, this is Shatter Stadium. One in front is the for the baseball. They have the sliding roof. It's one of the sliding roof. It's can open and close. And this is the football stadium. It's not yet used, but for the semi-finals perhaps later on. Yeah. We're now here at the Kirkland Marine waterfront, and hey, look, this is the statue of a sailor, and then here, look, so many yachts, small. This is the Kirkland Marine Park, so small, but because it's at least convenient weather. Look, the seagulls there. The waterfront houses are very expensive. There's another troll. This is in the city. This is in the National Nordic Museum. It's in the city of Bellers.